there. So I'll be changing gears. It is safe to change gears when it is above 1. Okay, above 1 I can change. So this is 1 by 1000 revs per watt, so on the rev counter. So above 1 I'll be changing. Yes, so I'll start now. So that's gear 1. That was gear 2. Okay. So it is safe there, I can change. That's gear 3. Okay, gear 3. So there I can change. It is safe to change. That's gear 4. Okay, so that was gear 4. As long as it is above 1, so I can change to gear 5. Okay, that is gear 5. So just like I was telling you, so that is using the rev counter. Okay, so let me just do a change down so that I can show you on how to balance the clutch and the accelerator for the car to start moving, and how you change gears. Okay, so I'll start changing down. So from gear 5, that is gear 4. Gear 4. So when the revs are below 1, I can change to the next gear. So that is gear 3. Okay, gear 3, gear 3. That's gear 2. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. The vehicle has a problem. The gearbox, the synchros have a problem. So it always does that in gear 2. So I can now change to gear 1. That was gear 1. And I can stop. Okay, so I've come to a stop right now. Okay, so now I will show you. Okay, so we have the clutch, the brake, and then the accelerator. Okay, so now so I'll start. I'm on the clutch right now, like you can see. So I'm on the clutch right now. Then this is the accelerator. So I'll engage to gear 1. Okay, that is gear 1. So I'll start letting go of the clutch. This is a diesel vehicle. It's not difficult to start. Okay, for it to start moving, you just have to. It's just, even without the power. Okay, so it's already moving right now. It has started moving. Okay, so I just apply a bit of some gas there. So I'll engage to gear 2. That's gear 2. Gear 2. I'll now engage to gear 3. That is gear 3. Okay. I'll now engage to gear 4. So that is gear 4. I'll now engage to gear 5. Okay, that's gear 5. Okay, so like you can see, that is how you balance the clutch and the accelerator. I'm coming to a stop. Gear 4, gear 3, gear 2. Okay, just joining the road. That was gear 1. Okay, so that's gear 1. I'll change to gear 2. That's gear 2. I'll change to gear 3. That was gear 3. I'll now engage gear 4. That was gear 4. Okay, so I'll now change to gear 5. So that was gear 5. Okay, so that is how you balance the clutch and the accelerator. It's very simple. In a diesel, it's a bit different with a petrol engine, because petrol, for it to move, you need to burn some gas for it to balance and do the thing. But for diesel is slightly simple, okay, than a petrol engine. So this is how you balance the clutch and the accelerator for a diesel vehicle. Okay, this was a Toyota Land Cruiser diesel. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.